And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to we got a big video today. The Ferrari 458 Liberty Walk Widebody is being painted ad personam Lamborghini Viola Parsife. If any Ferrari executives are watching today's video, I haven't gotten your cease and desist quite yet, but I'll be looking for it in the mail. Also, today's video has been sponsored by SimpliSafe. We have quite the parking dilemma. We have no room for any cars whatsoever. The Super's off in Florida. It's going to be back in 3 weeks. The Widebody Aventador Roadster is also in Florida, going to be back in 3 weeks. The Twin Turbo Gallardo in Chicago is going to be back in 3 weeks. The Nissan GTR 1400 wheel horsepower, it's going to be back in 3 weeks. Later this afternoon, we're picking up the Murcielago, and we have no place to put that car either, so it seems like a prime opportunity to buy another car. We are headed to JP Chase. And of course, I realized I forgot the Veyron, which is in San Diego, that's going to be back next week, so yeah. There's just something about a V12 Lamborghini. It's a dime breed. We gotta buy as many as we can. We're headed to JP Chase. Have I said too much without quite saying enough? Luke just said that I said too much right there. Did I say too much? Did I say enough without quite saying too much? Said too much. Luke knows what I'm buying. That's right, baby. We're buying it. She's not out yet, but we're buying her. There we go. That's that, baby. That's right. I love this car. Like I said, we need more V12s before they end it. If you guys did not see my last video, in Florida I tried to wire $20,000 for a deposit on a car that does not exist. I think the car is going to be revealed in maybe 3 or 4 months. I don't know what the car is going to cost. I don't know the specs on the car, but we're depositing $20,000 on it. If you have a good guess, let me know in the comments below. I don't even know what it's going to be called. As I mentioned, I don't even know what this car is going to cost. There may be some budget cuts in the future. I'm not implying anything,
like
but
my salary?
Well, I mean, you are the most expensive line item on the ledger.
I'm gonna go find a new job in that case. Have fun with your new car, James.
If you cut that last clip, I'm not gonna be happy, okay? And there's gonna be a lot more than just budget cuts. Well, it's official. The budget, we have gotta cut the budget. Yeah. We've done it, boys. This is the first car I've ever put a deposit down that I've pre-ordered. It's gonna be brand new, I think a 2023. It's a momentous day. I think we need Corsa mode. Luke loves Corsa mode.
Are you about to launch it?
No, I'm not gonna launch it. Are you kidding me? We're on a city street. We're not gonna launch it here. It's on a racetrack.
Like you've never done that before. How many think? Like 50, 60, 70 launches on this baby?
At least.
Yeah.
I gotta be completely honest, I forgot what the back of Stefan's car looked like. I'm so used to just seeing the front of it in my rearview mirror, I didn't even know what it looked like. I don't want to see any judgment in the comments below. It's a little bit janky, but the problem is we lowered the Aventador coupe and it won't work on the lift now. But Luke Terry, this is out of his job description. I love to see this hard work, this tenacity. This is what you guys need in life. More Luke Terry. There's a link to his Instagram below. Also the hair, looking fresh. This right here is for Snapchat, girl. That's right, that's right. No, if you guys remember, last winter when I did this, my wheels got stuck on the car. Be a man. But I'm not a man, but I want to be a man. Come on, no. Take two? Yeah, take two. This is for Snapchat, girl. Yeah. Did I get it?
Yeah, baby.
I got it. That's right, baby. Woo. That's right. Wow. Wow. Well, we wanted to save you guys the pain and sorrow of watching your favorite idiots on YouTube change wheels on an Aventador, so we're going to make this very easy, very quick. Wait for it. The other side took us like 2 hours. This side, honestly, off camera took us 5 seconds. Well, we have quite possibly the best news in the entire history of the channel. None of the wheels fell off. None of them fell off. Idiot and idiot number 2, none of the wheels fell off. And on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by SimpliSafe. You guys know SimpliSafe, and you guys know I love SimpliSafe, and that's because I use it almost every single day. At some point during the day, I access the live feed from my cell phone of the SimpliSafe security cameras to make sure that my cars are safe. And right now, guys, SimpliSafe is throwing their holiday sale. This is their best deal of the entire year. We're talking 40% off or more. There's no better time to keep your home safe. So I have SimpliSafe security devices located throughout my entire house. And guys, one of my favorites is a smart doorbell camera. When FedEx, when UPS comes knocking on the door, they need me to sign for a package, I can look at my cell phone to see that they're there. I also have SimpliCams located throughout my entire garage to protect the cars. I have a camera inside for Oscar, and I have entry sensors to protect every single major entry exit. So I just installed SimpliSafe's newest security device, their outdoor camera. Guys, this camera is so sick because it's waterproof, it shoots in 1080p, 8x zoom, and it protects the front perimeter of the house with 140 degrees field of view. SimpliSafe is monitored by professionals 24/7 in the event of a a security breach, the police are gonna be called immediately. And guys, you can get started with SimpliSafe for right around 50 cents a day. So you guys know I love SimpliSafe, but check this out. Over 3 million Americans right now are trusting SimpliSafe. Check out the link below to simplisafe.com/stradman and protect what is most important to you. SimpliSafe is throwing their largest deal of the entire year, their holiday sale. We're talking upwards of 40% off or more. Check out the link below, simplisafe.com/stradman. Do you guys remember in the last video when I got wrecked by that Civic SI in the Supra? Well, today we're in the T-Rex, 702 horsepower. Let's go, let's go. I'm telling you guys, this is the greatest truck ever built in the entire history of trucks. I love this thing. So I wasn't expecting the Ferrari to just park like this. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, bro. That's so sick. Dude. What? Don't hit it. Do not hit it. That is an awful view. There it is, Viola Parsive 458. That looks so sick. I know a lot of you guys are triggered. You're like, how can we do another car purple? But this is Viola Parsive. This is ad personam Lamborghini Viola Parsive. The color looks so crazy. I love that ducktail too. It was carbon fiber. We went back and forth, but I think matching it in purple was definitely the right move. I wish it was sunny right now. So this has the glass just like the Aventador Roadster, which is not ad personam, by the way. So it's kind of sort of a one-off color. It's almost a Viola Stratife. Ooh, a Viola Stratife. We have to get this car in the sun someday, but unfortunately Utah is kind of sort of dark and gloomy. But I love the smell of this paint too. Okay, never, cut that out, Luke. Cut that out. So good. That is right. The right exhaust, the right color. So we're gonna pull into the paint booth. There's a bunch of lights so you guys can see all the glass in the paint. It looks so insane. I wish you could be here in person to see it. It just turned out so good. I'm so excited about it. The Viola Stratife, that's what we're gonna dub because it has that glass. Oh yes. We're trying our best to simulate sunshine. We got all the lights here in the paint booth. Oh, that paint just glows. What? That's insanity. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Fellas. Yeah, do it again. Do it again. One more time. It comes with the job. You lose your hearing hanging out with me. Exactly. Look at the glass in this. This might actually have more glass than the Aventador. That's so crazy. When the two cars are next to each other, that is gonna be pure insanity. I love how it almost has like a pink hue to it as well. One of my all-time favorite colors, the Lamborghini Viola Parsive. That is nuts. I know a lot of you guys were upset when we went purple, and I realize some of you guys might still be upset, but it looks so insane. We have so many cool projects going on all at the same time. In a matter of like 2 or 3 weeks, the Aventador Roadster is gonna have its custom interior, the Nissan GTR is gonna be 1400 wheel horsepower, the twin turbo Gallardo is gonna be done, the Veyron's gonna be back from servicing. I feel like I'm missing one other project. The 458 is gonna be done. It's gonna be so crazy when all the cars are together, all in the garage, all at the same time. I have a 4-car garage and I got 15 cars. So I don't know how it's gonna work, but we're gonna figure it out. We're all having a little bit of a back and forth on the color of the calipers because right now they're red, which cannot stay whatsoever. We could go with purple. Luke is suggesting yellow.
Yes.
Yellow calipers. If we do that, the interior has to go yellow. I don't even like the Lakers.
You calm down
Lakers
with these
fan.
interiors.
What do you mean calm down?
I don't know.
This is important. Okay, so in the comments below, what do you know what? We're gonna do an Instagram story poll. We're gonna do a poll. Do you guys think we should do purple calipers or yellow calipers? Go to my Instagram, link below, go vote. Whatever color wins, that's the color we're doing. All right. Maybe Luke is smarter than we realize. He got like a master's degree in color wheel science. He's talking about how purple and yellow on the opposite end of the color wheel. It does look pretty cool. It does pop. I just don't like the Lakers. If you like the Lakers, it's nothing against you, it's against the Lakers. I just don't like the Lakers. If you play for the Lakers and you get me seats front row, I will support you. Now we need your expert opinion because we're having a little bit of a dilemma back and forth. Luke and I are kind of having our first big fight on camera. Workplace violence is not the answer, so we need you to decide. Okay,
I'll be the
calipers, the calipers.
Yes.
Do we go with yellow calipers? Do we go with purple calipers? Or do we do paint to sample Joshua's beard colored calipers? Is that possible? Can we do that?
Dude, could you imagine?
That'd be actually amazing. Let's do it. Or we can even match my beard. I got some ginger in my beard. Not that I'm coming at you, bro, but I got some ginger. Not your kind of ginger. Hey, jeez. He was personally offended right there. Did you feel that? I felt that. I could feel it deep in. Wait, so what's the answer?
Well, okay, we're changing out our wheels. We already know we're changing out the wheels, so wide body on the wheels. What color are the wheels?
White.
We gotta go purple.
Josh!
No!
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. It doesn't even matter because we're doing an Instagram story poll. So you guys can go both on there. You guys can vote. But honestly, the audience decides. You guys can see we have the other parts for the Ferrari all painted. We've got the rear bumper here. We got the fender flares as well. Front bumper's being painted tomorrow. This is going to be the best Christmas ever because the 458, once again, should be done by Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. We are continuing on with our day. The Lamborghini Murcielago is off at Lamborghini Salt Lake. We're going to go pick that up. But as far as the Ferrari 458, the car is going to be done in a matter of days. That being said, you guys know the drill. I don't have wheels. I was supposed to have wheels. I don't have wheels. This trend has been going on forever. It's not me though. Like I'm trying, like off camera every single day, I'm trying to get these wheels for these cars. It's impossible right now. So I apologize. Please don't hate me. I'm trying everything I can. I'm getting emotional. Luke's getting emotional. Are you crying, bro?
Very sad.
He's crying. Luke is just like, in the last video I saw a comment that was titled, "Surprising my cameraman with a GT3." This guy's trying to give me ideas for Christmas.
Yeah, dude,
bro,
Christmas. Come on, dude.
We're not right there. If you guys smash the like button and we get 4 million likes consistently every single video, I will buy this man a GT3. I might anyways though. Whoa, drink up, son. Toast to that. And welcome back to Lamborghini of Salt Lake City. Luke Terry is beelining it right towards his GT3. Bro, you look so good in this.
know.
The color situates your eyes.
My wife
Your
would never
eyes.
let me though.
No, Katie would not be happy, but at the same time, once you buy it, you can't return it.
I'll keep it at your house. She'll never know about it.
Doesn't Katie watch these videos? Katie, you better be smashing the like button. This is the newest inventory at Lambo Salt Lake. Bro, we could both buy cars this weekend.
Yes, you can buy
get the
2 cars.
You get the GT3, and I get an F12. That interior is so sick. I like the HREs as well. Why are we playing rock, paper, scissors?
If I win, we're
rock,
doing it.
paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Yes! We're
buying or not buying?
No, I won. So we're not buying it. Also, 570S looking nice. I'm looking in the showroom here at Lamborghini Salt Lake, and I'm analyzing the situation. Can I shout inside or can I not? Because if there's like an important client in there, I can't shout. If there's not, we're good to shout. No. Oh, I want her so bad. She's so sick. This is the most gorgeous Rolls Royce Wraith I've ever seen in my entire life. I want it, but we can't afford it. Some kind of message is being sent. There's one out there too, bro.
They're matching cars.
This is the color. I think it's Mexico blue, also with the Murcielago. Could you imagine the two of us rolling together?
Yes.
That would be dope. Also, the Murcielago, this Verde Artemis in this light looks so good. So the car just got a full annual servicing. That throttle issue where it's like idling really rough, dude, we're good to go. I gotta give a massive shout out to the boys here at Lamborghini Salt Lake. Annual servicing done on the Murcielago and that Verde Artemis. I know I've already said it, I'm freaking out right now, but that color is truly one of one. You give this man 700 horsepower, he's just not the same anymore. Brake. There they are. It feels so good to have the idle issue under control. We're sitting here in traffic. The whole car's not pulsating. We're not embarrassing ourselves. We are good to go. The Mercy's not the fastest car. It doesn't matter though, it just doesn't matter. That gated manual transmission, a dying breed, like I said earlier, this is why we need more V12s. All right, Utah, I see you. That is incredible. Also, TRX, you see, here's the problem. We got the C8, we got the Avenger, we got the Ferrari, we got the Urus, we got the baby Countach. We have nowhere to put the Murcielago. Bro, what are we gonna do?
You got a problem.
I got a big problem.
But I got a great solution. I got a 2-car garage.
Oh, I see you. I see you. You got a GT3 to put in that garage, yo.
Absolutely, dude. Absolutely.
That was a good day. We had a lot of fun today. That Ferrari, I'm so excited about that color. It's gonna look incredible. I cannot wait for the first sunny day. It should be done this weekend. The Aventuro's got the snow tires, so spin class sooner than you think. I think it's snowing tomorrow. I'm not guaranteeing, but there might be a chance we might have the first spin class of the season. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. There's no way! What is going on? A Mexico Blue 2RS. There's some kind of sign going on.
Yes.
What is happening?
Yes.
Are you kidding me? Look at this Buick go! What is going on? Baby, we got her. Luke thinks I'm an idiot. He works for an idiot. Luke works for an idiot. He goes home every night to his wife. He's like, my boss is an idiot.
I do that.
Be a man. Just be a man. I'm a man. Be a man.